Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 7th standard first term contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. Definitely you will be benefited. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Today we are going to see number system exercise 1.1 addition of integers. So we follow some rules, that is plus plus plus. That means if you add two positive integers, that answer you add the number and put it plus sign. So for example, if you take 4 plus 3, so add the integer 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So that sign is positive. Next, minus plus minus. That means add the integer here and put it minus symbol. So for example, if you take minus 2 plus minus 4, you add the number 2 plus 4, 6 and put the minus sign. That is the answer. Third rule, 1 plus positive integer plus 1 minus. That means whatever the greater number sign, you have to write the answer. For example, I will tell now plus 7 plus minus 3. That means first subtract the number. Subtract the number. 7 minus 3, 4. What is the greater number sign? Number, not integer. Number sign plus. So you write the answer plus. Plus 4 is the answer. Next example, minus 8 plus 5. That means first subtract the number. 8 minus 5, 3. What are the greater number? Number sign minus. So you write it the answer minus 3. Okay, let us see that first sum, fill in the blanks. Minus 30 plus dash equal to 60. That means here 1 minus. So we have to put it here greater number 90. So 90 minus 30, 60. Greater number sign plus. So plus 60 is the answer. Minus 5 plus dash equal to minus 100. That means minus 95 is the answer. If you add 5 plus 95, 100 and both minus means minus sign. Next, both minus sign, so add it 104 and put it minus sign. Here minus 22 given, so we have to find it this one equal to 0 means what is the additive inverse of minus 22 plus 22? So if you add it to one number and their additive inverse, if you add, we get it 0. Therefore 22 is the answer. Here minus 70 equal to 70. So that means which number, which 1 minus, here we need a plus answer. So we put it 140. 1 plus 1 minus, subtract the number, we get it 70. Greater number here plus 140, therefore plus 70 is the answer. Plus 70 or simply 70, both are correct. 20 plus 80, that means first we have to add this number. 20 plus 80, 100. 100. 100 plus which number? What is the additive inverse of 100? Minus 100. Therefore 100 minus 100 equal to 0. Therefore answer is minus 100. Seventh one, 75 plus minus 25 equal to dash. 1 plus 1 minus given. So first subtract the number 75 minus 25 50. What is the greater number sign? Number here 75 is greater, so plus sign only having. So answer is plus 50. 171 plus dash equal to 0. So what is the additive inverse of 171? Minus 171. So minus 171 is the answer. Next one, closing bracket of minus 3 plus minus 12 closing bracket plus minus 77 equal to dash plus closing bracket of 12 plus minus 77 closing bracket. This is associative property. So that is A plus B, first bracket of A plus B plus C equal to A plus bracket of B plus C. This is associative property. So here given this is A, B plus C. Here dash is A only, so you write minus 3 is the answer because this is B and C. Next sum, minus 42 plus bracket of, that is closing bracket of dash plus minus 23 closing bracket equal to closing bracket of minus plus 15 closing bracket plus dash. This also associative property, that means A plus bracket of B plus C equal to bracket of A plus B plus C. You substitute the value only. A value here minus 42 means here you write it minus 42. B value 15. So 15 write it. C value minus 23. So you write it here minus 23. Next, second one, say true or false. The additive inverse of minus 32 is minus 32. That is wrong because the additive inverse means whatever the sign given, we write it opposite sign only. So minus 32 means plus 32 only the correct answer, that is false. Next one, minus 90 plus minus 30 equal to 60. This is also wrong because we have to add the number and put minus sign. Here given 60, that is wrong, false. Minus 25 plus 25 equal to minus 100. Here 1 minus 1 plus means subtract the number 125 minus 25 100. That is correct. And whatever the greater number sign here minus, so minus 100 is correct. So true. Third one, add the following. 8 and minus 12 using number line. So here number line given. So first we will do the addition. 8 plus minus 12. So here 1 plus number and 1 minus number we have to add. So that means we subtract the number first from greater to smaller. 12 minus 8, 4. What is the greater number sign? Not integer, greater number. Sign minus. So you write it minus 4. Minus 4 is the answer. So first draw this number line like this. And first number here given 8. So you start with 0 only always. 0 to 8. And after our answer is what? Minus 4. So put it right arrow and after our answer is minus 4. So circle it and left side you move it 12 units. Clear? So and put this arrow also, left arrow also. Our answer is minus 4. Second sum. Minus 3 and minus 5 using number line. So first minus 3 plus minus 5. Here given both negative number means first you add the number. 3 plus 5, 8. What is the rule? Minus plus minus means minus. Minus 8 is the answer. So first start with here you also extend the number 3, 4, 5, 6, closing arrow, and here we need first minus 3. So 0 to minus 3 first you put it left side, and after our answer is minus 8. So 5 units you move again left hand side. So put the arrow left and arrow and minus 8 you circle it. So our answer is minus 3 plus minus 5 equal to minus 8. Third sum, add only. Add minus 100 plus minus 10. Here both minus means first you add the number 100 plus 10, 110. Both minus means minus plus minus equal to minus. So you put it minus. Fourth sum, 20 plus minus 72. Here 1 plus number and 1 minus number means first subtract the number. 72 minus 20. 72 minus 20. What do you get it? 52. So here you see that greater number having here minus sign. So you write that answer minus 52. Next, 82 plus minus 75. Here also that same rule. First greater number to smaller number subtract. 82 minus 75, 7. What is the greater number sign? Plus. So plus 7, or simply you write 7, that also correct. Next one, minus 48 plus minus 15. Here both negative number means first add the number 48 plus 15, 63, and put it to minus sign. Minus plus minus equal to minus. Fourth question. Tenmalar appeared for competitive exam which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answers. In paper 1, she answered 25 questions incorrectly, and paper 2, 13 questions incorrectly. Find the total reduction of marks. So first we will write for each incorrect question the score is what? Minus 1. So because given negative scoring, negative means minus 1 mark. So minus 1. So in paper 1 score of 25 incorrect questions. Incorrect means minus 1 multiply. So 25 into minus 1 minus 25. In paper 2, 13 incorrect means 13 into minus 1 minus 13. Our question is total reduction of marks. So minus 25 plus minus 13. So first add the number 25 plus 13, 38. Here minus plus minus means we put it minus symbol. So minus 38. So reduction of marks, minus 38 marks will be reduced. Fifth sum. In a quiz competition, team A scored 30 minus 20, 0 and team B scored minus 20, 0, plus 30 in 3 successive rounds. Which team will win? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? So first we will find total score of team A, that is 30 minus 20 and 0. So 30 plus minus 20 bracket plus 0. So first 30 minus 20 means 1 plus 1 minus, subtract and put the greater number sign. 30 to minus 20, 10. Greater number sign here plus, so plus 10. 10 plus 0, any number with a 0 gives the same number, so 10 is the answer. Team B, minus 20 plus 0 plus 30. So bracket of minus 20 plus 0 first, after plus 30. First inside the bracket, what is the minus 20 plus 0. So minus 20 plus 0, minus 20. After plus 30 means here also subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract 30 minus 20, 10. Greater number sign plus. So plus 10. So here which team will win? Here that score of team A is equal to score of team B. So which team will win? That match is tie. Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Here you see first 30 minus 20 comma 0 also 10, and minus 20 comma 0 comma 30 also the same. So same number with a different order can give the same answer. So answer is yes. Yes, we can say that we can add integers in any order. Sixth question, or bracket of 11 plus 7 closing bracket plus 10 and 11 plus bracket of 7 plus 10 is equal. Mention the property. Whatever it is, first we simplify inside the bracket. Here first inside the bracket 11 plus 7 is there, 11 plus 7 is 18. After you add with the plus 10, it gives 28. Second one, 11 plus bracket of 7 plus 10 means 11 plus 7 plus 10 is 17. So 11 plus 17 also 28. So we can say that 11 bracket of 11 plus 7 closing bracket plus 10 equal to 11 plus bracket of 7 plus 10 closing bracket. So that is equal. Here that is equal. Mention the property. Here given associative property of integers under addition. Find 5 pairs of integers that added to 2. So that means we have to add any two integers, that answer will be 2. First you take the example 0 plus 2 equal to 2 and 1 plus 1 equal to 2 because same sign, so plus 2. Next minus 1 plus 3 means subtract and put the greater number, that also gives 2. Minus 1 plus 3 equal to 2, minus 2 plus 4 equal to 2 and minus 3 plus 5 equal to 2. Next is some objective type questions. The temperature at 12 noon at a certain place was 18 degree above 0. Above means plus. If it decreases at the rate of 3 degree per hour, decreases means minus. At what time it would be 12 degree below 0? So this is objective type question. We don't want to write the statement, but we know how we will find the answer. That's why I explained here. Temperature at 12 noon, 18 degree above 0 means plus 18. Rate of decrease minus 3. 12 degree below 0 means minus 12. So here you see that number line 0. So here plus 18 is there. So the temperature decreases here minus 12. So the distance is here 18, here 12. So 30 units, the distance is there. So decreases 3 degree per hour means we have to divide. So 30 by 3 equal to 10 hours. So 10 hours after 12 noon equal to 10 PM is the answer. Ninth sum, minus 10 plus 7. 1 minus 1 plus means subtract the number. 10 minus 7, 3. What is the greater number sign? Minus. So minus 3 is the answer. 10th one, minus 8 plus 10 plus minus 2. So we can add the same sign, minus 8 plus minus 2 minus 10 plus 10 equal to 0. Next 11th one, 20 plus minus 9 plus 9. Here you can add the same sign, 29. 29 minus 9, subtract and put the greater number sign. 29 minus 9, 20. Here greater number 29 plus, so 20 is the answer. Thank you, students. We will see in the next class.